Welcome back to Party Slayers with Lapoosh. She says 011. It's a combo night. It's a lifestyle. We're having fun. She's Slayer. We're drizzling. We're drunk. How are you, my brother?
I'm good and you?
I'm good. All right.
Sharp, sharp.
Are you alive?
I'm alive.
Are you drunk?
Yeah, I'm drunk.
Okay. Kuze ube drunk. Uphuza amabhiya ayingakhi and then you feel ukuthi manje sengidrunk.
I'm not sure. For about 18 beers from now.
Oh, so wena manje uphuze 18 beers.
Yeah, plus Hennessy on top.
Plus Hennessy on top. Zonke lezi zinto lezi uzithengele like yonke into wena alright.
Sharp.
Sharp. Lewe udawo ngakhona ngathi uzothi ngicela umbhede yazi.
But like, come on, guys. Like, I'm drunk as fuck. I won't lie. Sure. Like, being for real, eh?
Yeah.
I'm drunk as fuck.
Yeah.
Like, I'm over the moon at the same time. I'm happy. Everything is good, ne? So one is the best. The best club I ever had in my life. Because I have fun every time. Yeah, girls, machita, every time it's good.
Most of all, or there's a second location.
Nah, second location, I won't lie.
Oh yeah, happy.
The weekend of good life.
The second location in Tembisa is always the weekend. After la, siya at the weekend. As I'm a party slayers at Tembisa. The is the best for its second location. This is Party Slayers with Lapoosh. Masuka la siyo slayer group and the